hindi pa siya, no?
Hey, how long have you been open? 10 years?
Here?
Yeah.
No, I'm in.
Oh, you knew. Are you the night man? Night manager?
What?
At nighttime manager?
No,
Yeah. Okay. So what's your name?
Rick Jason.
Okay. So he gave us permission to walk around and take video, guys. So we're gonna make a really good go of it and show the people how good it is at Gigatt. So when you come in the front here, it's Candaba Pride is what they call it. Gigatt is the Candaba Pride. And they've got it lit up for Christmas. Merry Christmas to you guys. Look at there. Santa and his elves are up there. They got the blowing things here going on. Santa and his elves. And they got plenty of lights. And I met a guy down here. Here's Santa. He's cool with it. Look here. Guys, it's awesome here. Really cleaned up, really nice. Painting it all as slow as I can. A lot to cover in the little bit of time that I have here because we don't want to overstay. But gosh, what a beautiful place, right? Look out here, a gazebo at the end, lighted up. Guess they serve here too. They have dinners and they have motel rooms and everything like that. Very beautiful. Look at the tree. And Betty's just staying there. She's gonna come along maybe. Anyway, guys, so that's the first gazebo. And over here, they have the Avengers. Mr. Snowman first. Little playground for the kids. But they have all of the Avengers in here. And they're such a beautiful place. They've got a motel room, you know. They got a lot of rooms that they let give you a price list if they give me one. They got all the Avengers here, Batman and Superman, Captain America, the big Hulk in the back, and little Christmas lights up there. Anyway, guys, it's lions and tigers and bears on mine. Also, Santa's up here at the front too, man. He's just everywhere. Here's a nativity scene they got. It's really beautiful. And Christmas tree. I guess this is the front door to the rooms they let. There's a water fountain for this side. We'll get a close up of the water fountain. Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas. I sure am. This is only about a 5 to 7 minute drive from my house. I'll let you go on that ride too. And the guys have really got it clean and nice and cleaned up here. Really do. We'll go back that way, the other way. No parking here. We'll keep it really clean. Got the blow up thingies. And over here, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. If you go around in this one, I had an interview with a guy named I think his name is, oh yeah, Romeo. Romeo did the pumpkins for Halloween back in September when we were here. Look at this fountain. When they get it going, it's going to be something else. Let me go around this way, though. I wanted to go all the way around. Here's the chapel up here. I think this is the chapel. Fairly sure. Guys, they've got animals back in the back, but we're not going to see them tonight. We're just here for the lights. And Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy. And to your family from ours, very Merry Christmas to you. The brightness of the lights is something else, and at the same time, my wife is doing videos too. So I hope it lasts for her long enough to do the video down through here, because the lake is back here. I'll give a shout out to the hamsters before I get there. Hello, darling.
Hello.
Honey bunch. She said honey bunch. Look at the lanterns. Look, up there's the sleigh. Up there. We pan back down. And they have the minions that are warning you to wear your face mask. Of course, that was for the thing we don't discuss anymore. Not on YouTube anyway. I don't know if they care anymore if you discuss it or not. But back here in the back, I want to give a shout out to the hamsters, because you got the big well, here's the pool first. They got a sign for everything here. This way to big pool on the left, which they've got done. They were working on it when we were here last time. Hello, how are you? And the office is this way. Music room, coffee shop. And there's a private pool back here. I guess that's the owners or their private guests that they have. We're just gonna do a little video of it in here so you can see. Pool is under treatment, so there's no swimming tonight, which is great. They got some cats. See the cat? And they got gazebos lit up back here. I'm gonna go a little roundabout way so I can get back to the other side. And yeah, beautiful place, very clean here. And they got dinner back there for their private self, so we won't bother them. We'll go back out and we'll go to the lake, and then we'll be done just about, because I don't think they want you being around the whole lake during the nighttime. So we can go out to the heart out here and say hamsters. But look, they've got the pool done, Mama. Almost completely done. So look, they're still renovating it. But that's going to be a beautiful pool when they get done with it. I mean, they got a lot done on it. It's just about ready to be filled up. So I imagine they're going to wait till the first of the year or after the first year when it gets a little nicer out. Oh my goodness, it's going to be beautiful back here, Mama. Anyway, guys, we do wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's and all that. And we'll be getting you some of these films really soon. And I hope you enjoy them. Yeah, the lake's lit up, so you can see all the way around the lake. Really nice. Really, really nice. Anyway, guys, there you go, hamsters. How you like that?